ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 19th of October. It's a frosty October morning across the state. Temperatures way below average. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam images. First off, up on Cheehaw, they are actually a bit warmer as we expect on a clear, calm morning. They're sitting at 39, while many of the valley locations are in the low and mid-30s. But it's cold enough. There's the Decatur Skycam up in Morgan County. And to look at downtown Jasper, most spots are somewhere between 32 and 36, although the sky watchers are coming in with freezing temperatures. For example, Vic Bell up in northeast Etowah County is at 29.7 as I do this update at 5:30. Here's a water vapor satellite shot. The trough that delivered the cold air has moved on to the east, so it's going to be a beautiful, bright, sunny day today. And we begin to warm up this afternoon, with temperatures getting back up in the 60s. But there's a look at the numbers this morning as of 5 o'clock. The numbers range there from 32 at Haleyville to 37 in Tuscaloosa and Montgomery. And again, we'll have a full list of the lows in the blog this morning, but those colder pockets are at freezing, and there's a lot of frost out there. Of course, we'll be dry for the next couple of days, but the weather turns wet before the week is over. And you can see this is valid through Friday evening. Rain amounts there from 2 inches in West Alabama to about 3/4 of an inch down in the southeastern tip of the state around Dothan. Heaviest rain near Shreveport. And there could be some tropical moisture involved with this from a Pacific hurricane of all things. So we'll have to watch for potential for heavy rain before the week is over. Rick is the name of the storm. And at one point over the weekend, this was a Category 5 hurricane, but the window for strengthening was very narrow, and now it's weakening. And it should be coming up toward the southern tip of Baja. There's a look at the track from the Hurricane Center. Right now, the top winds are 125. Should be a weakening, more than likely Category 1 hurricane as it clips the southern tip of Baja early Wednesday or late tomorrow night. And then it comes on up into the main part of Mexico as a tropical storm Wednesday night. And, of course, that moisture is going to be headed for Texas, and the westerlies ultimately will pick that up, and we're going to wind up seeing some rain here before the week is over with some moisture from this system. And often when you've got Eastern Pacific tropical moisture involved, the rain can be pretty decent. So that thing at the end of the week could be a pretty good rain event for us. Look at the modeling here. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. Trough well to the east, beautiful day. Sunny with 60s this afternoon. Tomorrow's sunny, how about low 70s? And again, we'll start the day in the upper 30s in many areas, but big warm up. Wednesday, how about mid 70s as the warming trend continues? And again, you can see Rick down there right over the southern tip of Baja on Wednesday. Thursday, troughing develops west of the state. Rick, what's left of Rick is over the main part of northern Mexico, and down below that, you can see that moisture feeding up to the west of us. And looks like Thursday will be a day where most of the day should be dry. The showers will likely arrive maybe Thursday night. And then Friday looks like our wet day. Surface low is located just a little east of St. Louis. And a nice batch of tropical moisture, and that should set the stage for a good round of showers and thunderstorms Friday and maybe Friday night. Of course, timing this far in advance, kind of hard to do, but we firmly believe the rain will be gone in time for the weekend because Saturday looks nice as we dry slide, deepening surface low up north. That's a very intense surface low, 984 millibars up there. But the cold air, not as cold as what we have now. It'll be what should be a fantastic weekend. Sunny with maybe highs 65 to 70, something like that. Sunday, same deal. Beautiful day. Fantastic fall weather for the weekend. And Monday of next week looks dry. Into the forecast, 3rd of October. 3rd of November. We're out there past Halloween now. And again, you can't help but notice that big vortex up there over Canada. And down below that, look at the cold air up there. Goodness. And this shows a pretty good pop of cold air getting down in here. A 1,032 millibar high. And at the moment, that looks dry. But, of course, we all know this is voodoo land. Trying to be specific more than 7 days in advance, almost impossible to do. We simply look for trends out here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.